Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to do a review of the Bread Beauty Supply hair care system. It's black owned, just went into Sephora, so I had to check it out. So I got their Wash Day Essentials kit, which comes with this super stretchy scrunchie, which is phenomenal. I love it. Next, you'll see the Gentle Milky Hair Cleanser, and all of their products come in this really squishy bag, which I loved the packaging. Like, I've never seen anything like this before. Next is their Creamy Deep Conditioner. This packaging was the same squishy material, and it was a little bit heavier, so I knew this was going to be like a really good creamy thick conditioner. Couldn't wait to try it. Also included in the kit is their hair oil everyday gloss, which is one of their most popular products, so I was really excited to try this one out as well. As you can see, it comes in this glass container with the little screw top. So these are all the products that come in the Wash Day Essentials kit, and I got all full-size products with that and everything. But if you want to try a smaller version just to really get a little trial in there, you can get their snack pack travel size, which is half the cost, but you still get to try all these great things. So check it out. So we're really going to put this hair care system to the test because I just took out my knotless braids, so you already know I haven't had a good wash in a few weeks now, so I couldn't wait to test this product out on some really, thirsty hair that needs tons of moisture and love. So one of the things the hair oil can be used for is as a pre-wash treatment, which they recommend to leave on for at least 2 hours before washing. So I'm showing you guys here how I took one of my dropper applicators instead, put it in the oil, and I put it on my scalp and rubbed it all over my hands and into my hair. And I did that all over my hair the night before, but here I am to show you what it looks like. So here we are, all the braids are finally out. The hair oil is on my scalp and through my strands. I felt that it was very, made my scalp feel really nice. Nothing itching, nothing crazy like that. So far so good. So first we're going to go in with the Gentle Milky Hair Cleanser, and of course the directions are the usual, start with your scalp with a gentle scrub with the pads of your fingers and bring it on down. And as you can see, it was a really creamy consistency. I had to use a good amount to get throughout my strands, but it smelled like Fruit Loops. Like, it was amazing how much it just brought me back to Fruit Loops, but that smell didn't really bother me and it didn't linger in my hair afterwards. So here I am just working the shampoo through. They do recommend parting your hair into 4 sections, but after taking out all your braids, your girl is lazy. So now we're going to follow up with the Creamy Deep Conditioner. I will say with this packaging, I was a little worried about losing all the little white tops, so that's just something to be mindful about. But as you can see, this conditioner was creamy and thick, so I had to push that out the packaging, but that was no problem. Now we're going to do a good detangling test, and it passed very well. I think, of course, with the pre-poo treatment that I did with the oil and just finger detangling before, of course, helped. But the conditioner did a really great job at detangling, so I was really impressed with that. And I love a good detangling rinse-out conditioner. So, A+ on that. Here we are fresh out the shower, and as you can see, my curls are waking up from being in hibernation in those braids for so long. And as you can see, they look super moisturized. I'm just going to seal in that moisture with some more of the hair oil. I did put it throughout my scalp. I'm not crazy about the top that comes with the hair oil. I did, as you saw, use my dropper instead. I just found that more functional. So this system does not have a leave-in or a styler or a gel or anything like that yet, so I just paired it with my favorites from Eden Body Works. And here are the results the next day. As you can see, the curls are shrunk in. Look at that shrinkage, but they are so happy and healthy and moisturized. And I'm really glad that the Bread hair care system worked well with my Eden Body Works because those are my favorite gels and creams, as you guys know. The definition is a little frizzy because I did sleep on it, but I think overall the system did what it was supposed to do. It brought moisture to my dry strands, and I definitely recommend it if you guys are looking to support a Black-owned business, and they're in Sephora, so super affordable and super easy to get. Let me know down below if you guys plan on checking them out or if you've checked them out already. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give me a like if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!